Good morning, I'm Bill Evans and Treasurer of the Cannock Bowling Green Club and greenkeeper as well.
Tony Rose, Cannock Bowling Green Club, Vice Captain at the moment. We've had demonstrations of the Allett C20 at Hickson and also on the green here in Cannock. We decided that it would be a good investment for us because obviously the green requires a lot of maintenance. We do it ourselves on a Sunday morning and 2 or 3 times a week mowing, but the cartridges will actually help us maintain and keep the cost of outside workers to a minimum. That's our aim anyway, and I hope that Allett will actually help us to do that.
Cannock Bowling Green Club has been here since 1753, and over the years the condition of the green has improved. We want to maintain it to its current level, and we firmly believe that this Allett mower, along with the cartridges which we purchased and 1 or 2 more that we will need, will help us maintain the green. Because of the issues we have with thatch and drainage, we're quietly confident that this Allett machine will suit our purposes ideally.